In this video, I'll show you how to use Microsoft Planner directly inside Teams in 2025. The updated interface makes project more management easier than ever. Open your Teams channel and click the plus icon to add a new tab. Search for Planner and select it. Choose to create a new plan or use an existing one. Your planner board now lives directly in your Teams channel where everyone can access it. Click Add Task to create new items. The 2025 interface lets you quickly set assignees by typing at followed by team member names. Set due dates with calendar picker. Add priority levels with the new color coded system and attach files directly from your Teams files or OneDrive. The updated planner includes smart suggestions that automatically recommend assignees based on previous tests. The new timeline view shows project milestones alongside your regular board view. You can also create subtasks and dependencies right from the Teams interface. Team members get notifications in Teams when they're assigned tasks or when deadlines approach. Use the at mention feature in task comments to bring discussions directly into your workflow. The activity feed shows all recent changes in one place. Microsoft Planner in Teams 2025 streamlines your entire project workflow in one platform. No more switching between apps. Everything you need is right here.